The counting of votes for assembly elections in Mizoram is underway. The Zoram People's Movement is racing towards power in the state, having already won 25 seats and leading in 2 others. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that Parliament, the temple of democracy, is a very important platform for people's aspirations and to strengthen the foundation of developed India. The counting of votes for assembly elections in Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and Telangana concluded. The BJP is on track to form government in Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan and Chhattisgarh, while the Congress has secured an absolute majority in Telangana. The Education Ministry is celebrating the International Day of Persons with Disabilities with a special quiz. The quiz is prepared with the objectives to foster an inclusive and accessible society. The Central Universities Amendment Bill 2023 was today introduced in the Lok Sabha. The bill seeks to amend the Central Universities Act 2009 for the establishment of a central university, namely Samaka Saraka Central Tribal University in Telangana.